Are you an artist looking to elevate your creative game? Or maybe you're a designer searching for the perfect tool to bring your visions to life? Have you ever wondered which drawing tablet with a screen is truly worth your investment? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drawing tablets with screens, ranking the top 7 contenders on the market. From budget-friendly options to professional-grade powerhouses, we've got you covered. Stick around because you don't want to miss our number 1 pick. It's a game changer for digital artists everywhere. Number 7. XP Pen Drawing Tablet. Starting off our list at number 7 is the XP Pen Drawing Tablet. This tablet is an entry-level option for those who want a screen-based drawing experience without breaking the bank. It features a 15.6-inch fully laminated display, which helps reduce parallax and makes your strokes feel more natural. The screen resolution is Full HD, 1920 by 1080, which is decent for beginners or hobbyists. The tablet comes with a battery-free stylus that supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you precise control over your lines and shading. It also includes customizable shortcut keys, which can speed up your workflow. However, while these features sound great on paper, the execution isn't flawless. The color accuracy of the screen leaves much to be desired, as it doesn't cover the full sRGB spectrum. This could be a deal-breaker if you're working on color-critical projects. Another downside is its build quality. The tablet feels slightly plasticky and less durable compared to higher-end models. Additionally, the driver software can be inconsistent. It may take some time and troubleshooting to get it working seamlessly with your computer. While this tablet is affordable and functional for beginners, professionals might find its limitations frustrating. Overall, the XP Pen Drawing Tablet is a decent starting point if you're new to digital art or on a tight budget. But if you're looking for something more reliable and feature-packed, keep watching because we have better options coming up. Number 6. Huion Canvas Pro 16. At number 6, we have the Huion Canvas Pro 16, a step up from the XP Pen, but not without its quirks. This tablet boasts a 15.6-inch laminated screen with anti-glare glass, offering a smoother drawing experience by reducing reflections and parallax issues. The display covers 120% of the sRGB color gamut, providing more vibrant and accurate colors than our previous pick. The stylus is one of its strong points. It's battery-free and supports tilt functionality, along with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This makes it great for detailed work like shading or calligraphy. The tablet also comes with 6 customizable shortcut keys and a touch bar for added convenience during your creative process. However, there are some drawbacks that hold it back from ranking higher on our list. For one, the screen resolution is still Full HD, which can feel limiting if you're used to working on larger or sharper displays. Moreover, while the color accuracy is better than the XP Pens, it still doesn't quite match up to professional-grade tablets like those from Wacom or Zensalabs. Another issue lies in its stand, or lack thereof. The tablet doesn't come with an adjustable stand in the box, so you'll need to purchase one separately if you want ergonomic flexibility. Lastly, while Huion has improved its driver software over the years, occasional glitches can still occur. The Huion Canvas Pro 16 is an excellent mid-range option for intermediate artists or students who want good performance without spending too much. But if you're looking for something truly exceptional, stay tuned as we climb higher up this list. Number 5. Wacom 113. Coming in at number 5 is the Wacom 113, a compact yet powerful option from one of the most trusted names in digital art technology. This tablet features a 13-inch Full HD display that's fully laminated to minimize parallax and provide a natural drawing experience. Its lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for artists who like to work on the go. The Wacom One comes with a pressure-sensitive pen that offers excellent precision and responsiveness. While it doesn't support tilt functionality like some higher-end Wacom models, it's still more than capable for most artistic needs. One standout feature is its compatibility. You can use third-party pens like those from Staedtler or Lamy if you prefer a different feel. What sets this tablet apart from lower-ranked options is its reliability and ease of use. Wacom's driver software is known for being stable and intuitive, making setup a breeze even for beginners. The screen's color accuracy isn't groundbreaking, but is sufficient for casual projects or basic design work. On the downside, the smaller screen size might feel cramped if you're used to larger workspaces. Additionally, it lacks some advanced features, like customizable shortcut keys or multi-touch gestures found in premium models. The Wacom One13 strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists or students who want Wacom quality without splurging on their higher-end offerings. Number 4. XP Pen Artist Pro 16. At number 4 is the XP Pen Artist Pro 16, a significant upgrade over their entry-level model we discussed earlier. This tablet features a stunning 15.6-inch fully laminated display with anti-glare glass and covers 99% of Adobe RGB color space. The improved color accuracy makes it ideal for professional artists working on detailed illustrations or graphic design projects. The Artist Pro 16 comes equipped with X3 Elite Plus stylus technology, offering enhanced pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition compared to previous models. It also includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and a red dial interface that allows for seamless zooming or scrolling through your canvas. One of its standout features is its build quality. The aluminum body feels sturdy and premium compared to lower-ranked options like the Huion Canvas Pro 16 or XP Pen drawing tablet. It also comes with an adjustable stand included in the box, a thoughtful addition that enhances comfort during long drawing sessions. While this tablet offers excellent value for its price point, there are minor drawbacks worth mentioning. The driver software can still be finicky at times, requiring occasional updates or tweaks to function smoothly across different platforms. Overall, the XP Pen Artist Pro 16 delivers professional-grade performance at an accessible price point, perfect for serious artists who want high-quality results without breaking their budget. 3. Wacom Cintiq 22. The Wacom Cintiq 22 is a reliable and accessible option for artists seeking a large-screen drawing tablet without venturing into the premium price range of the Pro series. With a 21.5-inch Full HD display, 1920 by 1080 resolution, it offers ample workspace for creating detailed illustrations, animations, or designs. The anti-glare glass surface and laminated screen reduce parallax, ensuring a more natural drawing experience that feels closer to pen on paper. One of the standout features of the Cintiq 22 is its Pro Pen 2, which boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. This stylus is widely regarded as one of the best in the industry, offering precise control over line weight and shading. The tablet also comes with an adjustable stand that allows you to set it at various angles, enhancing comfort during long, creative sessions. However, there are some limitations to consider. The Full HD resolution can feel underwhelming for a screen of this size, especially if you're accustomed to higher resolutions like 4K. Up close, individual pixels may become noticeable, which could be distracting for artists working on intricate details. Additionally, while the anti-glare surface provides a pleasant texture for drawing, it slightly dulls the vibrancy of colors compared to higher-end models like the Cintiq Pro series. In terms of connectivity, the Cintiq 22 uses separate cables for HDMI, USB, and power, which can lead to desk clutter. It also lacks built-in shortcut keys, requiring users to rely on an external Express Key remote or keyboard for custom shortcuts, a minor inconvenience for those who prefer an all-in-one solution. Overall, the Wacom Cintiq 22 is an excellent choice for artists transitioning from traditional media to digital or those seeking a dependable large-screen tablet without breaking the bank. While it doesn't match the advanced features of its Pro counterparts, its solid performance and affordability make it a popular option among hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 2. Zensilabs Pen Display 24. The Zensilabs Pen Display 24 is a strong contender in the professional drawing tablet market, offering a combination of cutting-edge features and thoughtful design at a competitive price point. Its 24-inch 4K UHD display, 3840 by 2160 resolution delivers exceptional clarity and detail, making it ideal for artists working on high-resolution projects. The etched glass surface not only reduces glare, but also provides a satisfying tactile feel that mimics traditional drawing surfaces. What sets this tablet apart is its remarkable color accuracy, covering 99% Adobe RGB and 93% DCI-P3 color gamuts, along with Pantone and skin tone validation. These features ensure that your work appears vibrant and true to life, which is particularly valuable for illustrators, graphic designers, and photographers. The tablet includes 2 battery-free pens with customizable buttons and tilt functionality, catering to different preferences and workflows. Another highlight is the inclusion of Zensalab's Quick Keys remote with an OLED display. This device allows users to program up to 40 shortcuts per application, streamlining workflows significantly. The tilt stand included in the package offers ergonomic flexibility, enabling users to adjust the screen angle effortlessly. Despite its many strengths, there are minor drawbacks worth noting. The display's matte finish can make images appear slightly less sharp compared to glossy screens, a trade-off for reduced glare. Additionally, while the tablet's fanless design ensures silent operation, it may lack some ports that professionals might expect in a high-end device. The Zensalab's Pen Display 24 strikes an impressive balance between performance and value. It's an excellent choice for professionals seeking a high-quality drawing experience without committing to Wacom's premium pricing. Whether you're creating digital art or editing photos and videos, this tablet delivers exceptional results while enhancing productivity. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq Pro 27. Topping our list is the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27, a flagship model designed to meet the demands of professional artists and designers who require nothing less than perfection in their tools. With a massive 26.9-inch UHD display, 3840 by 2160 resolution, this tablet offers unparalleled visual clarity and detail. Its 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth motion and responsiveness, making every pen stroke feel instantaneous. The display covers 99% Adobe RGB and 98% DCI-P3 color gamuts, while supporting HDR Gamma, delivering stunning color accuracy that's perfect for color-critical work like photo editing or animation. The etched glass surface provides just the right amount of friction for a paper-like feel while minimizing parallax for precise pen control. The Pro Pen 3 included with this model takes customization to new heights. Users can adjust its weight, grip thickness, and button configuration to suit their preferences perfectly. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, this stylus offers unmatched precision and versatility across various creative applications. One of the most notable improvements in the Cintiq Pro 27 is its ergonomic design. The ultra-thin bezels maximize workspace while reducing desk clutter, and built-in express keys on the back provide easy access to customizable shortcuts without relying on external remotes. Multi-touch functionality adds another layer of interactivity, allowing users to zoom or pan with intuitive gestures. However, these advanced features come at a steep price, making it one of the most expensive drawing tablets on the market. Additionally, some users have noted that prolonged use can strain their eyes due to its sheer size and brightness levels. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 remains the gold standard in digital art technology. Its combination of cutting-edge features, superior build quality, and exceptional performance makes it an investment worth considering for serious creatives looking to elevate their craft to new heights. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.